How to change Bitmoji hairstyle on a Snapchat app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change Bitmoji hairstyle on a Snapchat app. Watch the video till the end. And without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch your Snapchat app on your device. Now tap Bitmoji icon at top left corner of the screen. Swipe from top to down and you will get the option for Edit Avatar. Tap on it. Now tap Hairstyle next to the camera icon. And now here you can choose any hairstyle according to your preference. And tap on the Save icon at top right corner of the screen. In this way, you can easily change Bitmoji hairstyle on a Snapchat app. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.